Hi everyone, welcome to today's session of mathematics. Myself Sunita. In this section, we will be dealing with 6th standard first chapter angles. Last class, we have discussed how to divide the circle into equal parts using protractor. See, look at this picture, my dear children. Here, the circle has divided into 4 equal parts. That means each part will be 90 degree. Hope you remember. Now, the circle has divided into 6 equal parts. That means each part is 60 degree. Now, come to the third figure. Here, the circle has divided into 8 equal parts. Now, look at this circle. In this, circle has divided into 12 equal parts. Today, we will discuss how to write the fraction form of the given parts of a circle. Here, see children, here circle, complete circle has marked with 2 colors. One is pink, the rest with the green. Here we have to find the fraction form of pink as well as green. For that, we can take pink divided by whole. Here very clearly it is marked as pink color is 60 degree. And you know, my dear children, the circle, total circle, the whole part, how much degree it is? Yes, it is 360 degree. So, pink color, how much it is marked here? 60. So, we can write the fraction as pink divided by whole. That is 60 divided by 360. Now, we have to find the simplest form of this fraction 60 by 360. Last year, we have studied how to find the simplest form. We can apply cancellation method, but I will show you other method that will be more convenient for you, my dear children. So, that is 60, 360. Now, in 60 and 360, 10 is the common multiple. So, 60 and 360 can be exactly divisible by 10. So, we can divide the 60 and 360 by 10. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 360 divided by 10 is 36. Okay, clear? Now, 6 and 36. Again, we can simplify the 6 and 36. Which is the common factor? Yes, it is 6. So, 6 divided by 6 is 1. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So, we got the lowest form of or simplest form of 60 by 360 equal to 1 by 6. So, what is the fraction form of the given? It is 1 by 6. That means using this 60 degree, this circle can be divided into 6 equal parts. Among the 6 equal parts, how much is pink? It is 1 by 6. So, definitely the rest will be the green, part, isn't it? So, how can we find green divided by whole? Will be directly we can write among 6 parts, 1 is pink. What about the rest? Tell me. Yes, it is 5 by 6. From where we got this 5? It is 6 minus 1. 1 part is pink. So, there are 6 portions. Total it will be 6. So, from 6, look at this. Here, there are 60 degree. Each angle already we discussed this. If it is 1 part is 60 degree, we can divide the circle into 6 equal parts. Here 1 part is shaded with the pink. So, how many remaining pieces will be the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 6 will be the green color. Hope it is clear. There is one more method to find this green. The same way, the pink and divided by, it is or. It is not necessary, okay? Green divided by whole. So if 60 part is, 60 degree is pink means what about the degree of the green? 360 minus 60, it will be 300. So 300 divided by 360. Now we can find the simplest form of this. Same procedure, 300 comma 360. Both are exactly divisible by 10. So we can go for 10. 300 by 10 is 30. 360 by 10 is 36. In this, what is common again? 6 is common. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So what we got? 5 by 6. This way also you can find, no problem at all. But I will prefer this method because here if any mistakes, any calculation mistakes happen, it will be very difficult. So here out of 6 we got one portion is pink. So without any doubt we can say 6 minus 1 will be the rest of the part. That is 5 by 6. Hope it is clear. Okay, we can go for one more problem. Here what is blue color? It's a circle. Blue color is marked with 120 degree. The remaining is orange. We have to find the fraction of this. Okay, now how can we start? Blue, we can start with blue divided by whole. How much is blue? It is 120. So 120 divided by whole means 360. What is the next step? Find the simplest form of 120 and 360. So my dear children, 120 and 360. What is common in this? Yes, 1 0 in 120, 1 0 in 360, exactly divisible by 10. So we can go with 10. 120 divided by 10 is 12. 360 divided by 10 is 36. Okay. Now in 12 and 36, what is common? Yeah, it is, both are even numbers, right? Exactly divisible by 2. Okay, we can go for 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Very good. Now, what is common in 6 and 18? Yeah, it is 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So we got the simplest form as 1 by 3. Okay. So what is the meaning 1 by 3? The circle, using this 120, we can divide the circle into 3 equal parts. How many 120s will be there? 3 120s. That means 120 into 3 is 360. Got it, my dear children? So using this 120, we can divide the circle into 3 equal parts. Here we got blue is 1 by 3. What about the orange then? Yes, very good. It is 2 by 3. That directly we can write orange divided by whole equal to 2 by 3. From where we got this 2? There are 3 portions. One is already blue. The rest will be orange. That means 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Hope it is very clear. Very good. Now see. Now look at the textbook. This is 6th standard textbook. In page number 70, same type of question you can see. The question is, in the figures below, Calculate the fraction of the whole circle, the green, and yellow parts are. In the figures below, calculate the fraction of the whole circle, the green, and the yellow parts are. Hope you will do it. Once again, one or two problem I will do it for you. The rest you can try, my dear children. So we can go for with the 20 degree. In the first picture, it is given as 20 degree. Yellow is 20, the green will be 20 means the remaining will be green, right? So 360 minus 20, it will be 340 degree. How to find this? What is given, my dear children? Yellow by whole. How much the yellow is given? It is 20. 20 divided by 360. What we want to do? Find the simplest form. 20 and 360. So here 20 having 1 0, 360 also having 1 0. That means exactly divisible by 10. Yes. So we can start with the 10. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 360 divided by 10 is 36. Now 2 and 36. It is over? No. Yes. 2 and 36. Again, what is common? 2. Very good. So it is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So what we got here? 1 by 18. So what is the meaning? With the 20 degree, we can divide the circle into 18 equal parts. Among 18 equal parts, one part is shaded with the yellow color. The rest will be green color. So what about the green divided by whole? So 1 by 18. What is the rest? It is 17 by 18. Hope it is very clear to my children. So you can try the rest of the question from the textbook. So with this, I will wind up this today's session. Thank you.